Okay, students, last two topics, liberalization and privatization. Next one, globalization. Meaning, globalization means the interaction and integration of the domestic economy, the rest of the world with regard to foreign investment, trade, production, and financial matter. It is process of the business. The organization develop the international influence or start opening an international scale. The globalization stands of the various economic of the world. The globalization results from the removal of barriers between the nation of economy to encourage the flow of goods, service, capital and labor. Next one, forms of globalization. First one, foreign trade policy. India has signed the number of agreements of order and expand the Indian trade worldwide. Some the agreement of famous agreement is GATE. GATE means General Agreement Trade and Service. Next one, export promotion. Globalization promotes export by reducing tariff and elimination the trade restrictions and simplifying the trade procedures. Next one, reduction in tariff. Customs duties and tariff imposed on the import and export are reduced gradually to make a Indian economy attractive global investors. Next one, open competition. Globalization brings the end of the difference between domestic and international markets. Again, one time, students, forms of globalization. First one, foreign trade policy, export promotion, reduction in tariffs, open competition. Next, advantages of globalization. First one, increasing in foreign collaboration. The globalization increased the foreign collaboration through various modes such as joint venture, merger, franchisee. Franchisee means example is KFC. KFC is a foreign company, but so many dealers in so many countries. Next one, expansion of market. The size of operation of business moves from local, national and international level. Technological development. Technological development, a technological advance paves way for companies enter a foreign market. The globalization of technology is done by royalty or purchase of technological or technology by global collaborations. Next one, brain drain. Brain drain is a situation is which a country lose its most educated and talented workers to other countries through migration. Globalization waves way for employees opportunities in home country and utilize the manpower of efficiency. Next one, disadvantages of globalization. Loss of domestic industries. Next one, increasing in inequalities. Inequalities means rich and poor gap developed countries exploiting in resources of developing countries. Next one, impact of globalization. First one, lower operating cost, new raw materials, MNCs, advent foreign companies. Advent means coming. Regulated inflation. Inflation means increasing the goods value, increasing the value, decreasing the money value is called inflation. Next one, tax reforms. abolished license. Next one, highlights of LPG. LPG means liberalization, privatization, globalization. First one is new foreign trade agreements, foreign investment, foreign direct investment, regulated in inflation, tax reforms, and deregulations. This five also important highlights of LPG. Again, one time, students. LPG is LPG. LPG is New Economic Policy in 1991. Okay, thank you, students.